Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we are going to do the flip through on the Abundance Journal. So here we go. I've added a few things since the last video. I'll show you as I go. So here's first page, title page. I've got the tabs. I added some edges because I got to thinking after I finished that last one that I had said I didn't do edges, and I'm like, well, why didn't I do edges? So I went back and did some edges. So here's the flaps, and this I added for a little tab. Aw, he got bent. Journal pages, tab, tuck spot. Ooh, did I glue it? No, there it goes. Okay. Card, pocket. The blessing. So there's that with the belly band, and then the Blessing of Abraham card tucked in behind it. We had a time with that, didn't we? Okay, so that's done. This card. This, and my big flower pockets. Cards, journaling. Here's an edge I did with just a strip of muslin. Card. I did this little tab here with some netting. Here's that tuck in. Here's a little lace edge I did. Envelope. Card. There's a little tab I added. There's the 3 pockets and the cards. My moldy seeds. I added this edge. There's this card. I think I had that already. Some more journaling room. Card. Edge. Oh, that was a new edge that I added. Here's another edge I added. That's that fabric page. Some more lace I added for an edge. There's a little envelope in that pocket. Little pocket down here with a place to journal. Little pocket here with a card. Some more lace on this fabric pocket or page. This little tuck in, which is the card that you can write on. Part of the kit. There's that harvesting painting, the 4 flat box fold, and God is able to make all grace overflow to you. There's things in the pockets. And this card, pressed down and running over. Some journaling space, another card. There's another little tab up there. This little tab, a little turn-up pocket on the corner. And the other side of the tab. One of the big flower pockets, and this card. And this pocket, big flower pocket, and a card. And another tab that I made with some grommets. That card. And this envelope, which has the letter in it. That's also in the kit. That talks about how blessed you are Blessed in the country and blessed in the city. Blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. That's all in there. And that's it. All done. And I decided to just use some plain cotton muslin to wrap around it. Okay. So tie it in a bow. And that's it. Okay, and there's the open spine that we ended up with. So thank you so much for watching the videos, and I hope you liked it. Please click the like button if you did, and think about subscribing. And we're going to move on to the next project, which I'm super excited about. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.